Want to change the playback speed of TikTok videos on your iPhone? Whether you want to slow down or speed up a video, TikTok gives you easy options to adjust playback speed. Look no further. In this quick video, I'll show you how to change the TikTok playback speed easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Using the playback speed option. First, open up the TikTok app. While watching a TikTok video, press and hold your finger on the screen. A menu will pop up. Slide left slowly here. You'll get the playback speed feature. Tap on it. Select your desired playback speed like 0.5x, 1x, 1.5x, or 2x. Method 2. Use the share option. Open up the TikTok app. While watching a TikTok video, tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. Slowly slide left. Here you'll see the playback speed option as well. Tap on it. Select your desired playback speed like 2x, 1.5x, or 0.5x. And that's it. This is how you can change the playback speed of TikTok videos on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, write them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Goodbye for today.